Super Crew, 4-wheel drive. Utility box in the back, manufactured by F-250 is the brand. Engine block heater up front. Real nice Goodyear Wrangler, all-terrain tires. Super clean truck. You got the extendable mirrors. You got the storage compartments on both sides, 3 on each side. The utility box is enclosed. Steel back bumper, heavy duty towing package. This one, like so, and then you can then take and slide this top all the way down and open. Storage compartments. $20,000 original miles. Manual windows, manual locks, vinyl floors, vinyl seats, split bench seat. You got cruise control, steering wheel stereo controls on the steering wheel, CD player, you get your 4-wheel drive on the fly with locking rear differential, heat and air conditioning. Nice big back seat. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open at 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.